Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you wanted to help support this channel, it won't cost you anything. All you gotta do is use the links in the description if you wanted to get one of these for yourself. Hey, what's going on? Rich back with another awesome video for you. Wanted to show you how to remove the Toyota logo from the front grille of a 2015 Rav4. This will work with a 2013 through a 2015. Here's the front grille. This is what it looks like when you get it. And basically, you have two little clips right here. 1, 2. You basically just reach behind the front grille like this, and you put your fingers down there, and you just have to reach back there and pull up on this clip, and then push it forward a little bit. And once it's out, then you pull up on this clip right here. Just pull up on it and push out that way, and then it'll pop out. Make sure you put your other hand over here to hold it, because if you don't, it's gonna just pop out and it's gonna go on the ground and it's gonna get damaged. If you wanted to take this apart, take the chrome off of the black piece right here. If you wanted to take the chrome off of the black piece, all you do is push down on this 1, 2, 3, these 3 chrome tabs. And then you could push forward on this little silver tab right there. That's not holding it in, it's just keeping it in place. And then the chrome will come off of the black. Thanks so much again for watching this video. I really hope it helped you out. If you wanted to pick up one of these for yourself, I'm going to leave links down in the description. And if you can, make sure to click that like button, subscribe to my channel for more awesome content, and let me know if you got any questions or comments in the section down below. Thanks again for watching. Take care.